Hi guys, so I'm back. I have a new phone and I want to make an stop motion video with Laguna, but my old smartphone it don't work anymore, and I lost the video. And I was yesterday with Han, as also Xander Ares. We hanged out and we bought us Monster High stuff. So we bought us the new magazines. Here is the magazine. And yeah, and then we bought us new doll. I got this Mouscedes King for 29 euros. Also 29. Oh god, I don't know the name of 99 in English. Also, I think I unbox her and I do it off cam. But the first I do on cam. And bye. We see us later. Now she is out of the box. Naja, she is out of the plastic box. And now I must cut these things. And also here is she, Mouscedes King, and wow, she looks very good. And here is the Monster High stand. Here is the Monster High brush. And here is her diary. And that was the video. Bye.